Kamusta mga katropa? And welcome to our video. So, as you all know, as I mentioned in the previous video, I am being tempted to summon in Naruto Light and Sasuke Shadow's Rikit banner. Because as you all know, one of my motivation in summoning is if the shinobi featured is my favorite. And since they are my most favorite Narusasu version, so I have decided to pull in their banner using the Shinos that I have. But as you all know also, because I was shafted in Jiraiya and Tsunade's banner, wasting 400 Shinobite, sad to say, and I don't have that much Shinos anymore, so I've decided your body once again bought products in NXB using real money. And since your body is just an ordinary college student and I don't have job, so I can only afford the premium pass. And so I've decided to buy it. Okay? So it gave me an extra 2 tickets, which is also lacking because as we all know, we all receive 4 free tickets of anniversary banners. The one we already spent it all in the ticket, and the next step, which is very pay to win because it requires you 5 tickets. And so since we all have 3 tickets, as we all know, just like this Sasuke TL and Naruto TL, we all have 3 tickets remaining, and then the premium pass gave 2 tickets, so I was able to summon in step 2 ticket summon also. So in this video, I'm going to show you all the Naruto Light and Sasuke Shadow summon that I did. You are now going to see what is the big difference and the big privilege of being pay to win. Oh, so in a way, I can say that I have tasted the privileges of a pay to win players, no? And they really does have a big advantage in this game right now, especially now that the game is turning very pay to win already.